For today is our lovely turn for our Chiikawa and their friends. Well, let's see what we will make today. Hello guys, konnichiwa. Welcome to Unboxing Japan with Ren. I am pretty sure that a lot of you might have seen these characters, right? Maybe from the internet, from YouTube, or from any SNS, right? And you might be wondering what are these cute characters and what are their names. So basically, these characters are called Chiikawa, and it's actually from the famous manga first before it became the anime in the TV television. And for today we have this Whippuru again. Well, if you remember, we actually made the Whippuru before, which is actually the Kimetsu no Yaiba or the Demon Slayer before. But for this time we will try making the Whippuru for Chiikawa. And for this one, we will only use one whipped cream. So well, I guess that it didn't take that long and it wouldn't be that difficult, and I hope that I would not make a mess like last time I did with the Kimetsu no Yaiba one. As you can see from the box, we can actually make 6 of them, which is actually the Chiikawa, the Hachiware, the Usagi, the Shisha, the Kurimanju, and Momonga. So 6 of them. Alright, so let's not waste our time and let's start make the Chiikawa and friends together. Also, we have more products to unbox coming up. We upload new videos, TikTok, and shorts weekly as well, so make sure to check it out. Your like and subscribe would be very appreciated. So, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay, so we have done all these things. Well, just some tip from what I experienced. So basically, you can put a lot of cream into this thing because like once it dries, it will get like a little bit flat, so it won't look that cute. I mean, of course, you can actually put some later, but I would recommend to just put a lot, as much as possible, since the first start. And even though I think I put a lot as well, but I still have some cream left, so I think I might just add a little bit more, but not too much, or else it will not look beautiful. And also for the beads itself as well, like over here, you can use the tongue or the chopsticks so you won't really like mess with your hand. And also we also make sure that you can actually put the thing right in the place that you want to put. So I hope you enjoy our video so far. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also comment any thoughts about us. And see you in the next video. Until then, mata ne. Bye bye.